What's up, Paradise Crew? My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today, we're gonna talk to you guys about how to get free stuff on your cruise.
Ooh, free.
$3.99, baby.
Before we get started, be sure to check out our free Facebook group, Griff and Alyssa's Paradise Crew. There you will find many other tips and tricks on cruising.
Now, the first tip to help you get free stuff is actually volunteering at some of these events around the ship. So, if you're at an art show, volunteer to hold the art or do something, and you never know, they might give you guys some free champagne in your room, or free raffle tickets, or a free dinner at a specialty dining restaurant. Volunteer, you'd be surprised.
The next place you'll find some free stuff is actually at the art auctions. So whether you volunteer or not, typically if you attend, you get a free piece of artwork and sometimes even a free glass of champagne.
Another way to get free stuff is actually checking out more of the competitions that are on board. So that's the love and marriage game show, and then there's a belly flop competition. They're both super fun, but if you volunteer and you win, you get a cool little trophy, maybe a plaque, maybe some free champagne there too. So thumbs up for that.
Now, if the ship offers this, you'll want to check out the captain's cocktail party. So not only can you meet the captain and some other officers on the ship, you can probably get a glass of champagne or wine or anything else that you choose.
So now I'm thinking we should change the name of this video to how to get free booze on a cruise, because they're certainly passing out free champagne. Another cool way to get free stuff is actually shopping at preferred stores in port. So an example here is like a jewelry store. They'll give you like a free pendant or a good luck charm, which makes a good collector's item. So when you go on more cruises, you can just add them onto your own little bracelet. So there's that.
Cool. Now, we covered this in a previous video, but almost every ship has a liquor tasting. So it's typically the first night of your cruise. It'll be in the store section, or where the shops are, I guess. And then they'll just have a bunch of liquor for you to sample. And obviously the goal is for you to buy some, but you don't have to buy any if you don't want to. You can just sample away.
Shots, shots. It's not gonna be shots. Now, if you've sailed with the particular cruise line more than once, they'll actually give you guys a welcome back party, which, you guessed it, includes more free booze. So keep an eye out for that as well.
Also, when cruising with the same cruise line more than once, you sometimes are automatically enrolled in their loyalty program, but if not, you'll want to go ahead and do that because they will not only give you some free drinks, but they'll give you free bottles of water in your stateroom. If you are platinum, for instance, on Carnival, they'll give you free gifts in your stateroom. So that's another good way to get some free stuff, is to be loyal to a cruise line.
Yeah, one time they gave us what, like X dollars off of a specialty dining package or something like that. So yeah. Also, those comment cards that you'll see that they give you every now and then, you should take about 10 seconds to fill those things out. You could actually potentially win a free cruise with a raffle or something. If it only takes 10 seconds to do, it might be worth it. Who knows, you might be saying, what? I never win anything. Which could be great.
Free cruise.
Free cruise.
Now, another one that we haven't seen very often is actually timeshare presentations. So the only cruise line that I've actually seen do this is Disney, where they try to sell you the Disney Vacation Club packages. And typically, obviously, they give you free drinks. I'm sure that you've sensed that theme by now. But they also typically have raffles to win things like another free Disney cruise. So just take some time and sit through that.
Next up is doing a spa tour. They're gonna try to sell you on something, but you know, they'll give you a free sample on what a massage is or one of their spa treatments are like, and it feels great. But just be prepared. They're gonna try to sell you on it, but it is free.
Well,
the sample.
The sample's free.
The sample's free.
Remember to read your daily cruise planner. So that's that guide, the schedule that they put in your room every single day. You might be surprised on what you can find on there. I remember on our last cruise, there was a ladies pamper party in the spa. They were doing like free mini facials. I mean, it was first come, first serve, but it was all free. So check that out. Make sure you highlight the ones that you want to go to and don't miss those. And
the last tip we have for you guys is raffles. It's something we said earlier throughout the video, but Can't express it enough. It's a great way to just throw your name in a bin and potentially win some free stuff.
Yeah, they typically have them in the duty-free shopping areas, so whether it's the jewelry store or the t-shirt store, sometimes they just hold an event, and then if you show up and you put your name on a ticket, they'll pull them throughout the event and you can win some free stuff, so it's pretty cool.
Cool. So we're gonna leave you with this question. Have you won or gotten anything for free on a cruise before? If you have, let us know in the description below. What's some tips that you may have or you can share with others? And as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe. And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.